Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I got a really cool video and I'm pretty excited about it. So I needed to get some new all-terrains. So I decided to pick up some Falcon Wildpeaks. While I was at it, I've been wanting to get some new wheels because I have the stock wheels on the 4Runner still. And I'm about to go down to Discount Tire and get them installed. Now, they are genuine Toyota wheels. So you will see what they look like here shortly, but I'm gonna go do that, get them installed, and let's check out how the 4Runner looks before and after. So yeah, I decided that like I might as well get both done in one go so I don't have to pay more getting them unmounted and then remounted on some new wheels later on in the future. Yeah, it is a little bit more money out of my pocket at once, but I mean, I save money in the long run. So let me go to the appointment, get them installed, and let's check them out. All right guys, I just got back from Discount Tire and these wheels and tires look sick. So I'm going to do some B-roll when I get the center caps in, since those are on back order right now, but they're awesome. So the B-roll that you're gonna see, it's gonna be a little bit after that I filmed this. Wow, I can't speak. But yeah, they're awesome. They ride good so far. Whenever I do the B-roll and then put the center caps in, I'll do an update. I don't know how long that's gonna be. Yeah, these are sick right now. So the Falcon Wildpeak AT3Ws that I got, they're 265, 70, 17, and they do rub a little bit on the front. So it's only whenever I do like a full lock to the right is when you start hearing it rub on the inner fender lining, which I think you can see maybe right there. I know you can see it better on this side. There's a little bit of wear right there. I'll actually turn the car full lock in a second. But it could be because I'm still on the stock suspension and I can tell that the front is wearing out a little bit. And I do plan on putting a small lift on it. I'm probably gonna go with the 5th gen 4Runner shocks and then do just a spacer up front, well, kind of front and rear to level it out, and that should take care of it. But for now, what I have to do, I have to unbolt the fender lining a little bit and then just zip tie it forward. That way I don't have to cut anything. I really don't want to cut anything, and I just want to see if putting the lift on and getting some fresh socks getting some fresh shocks on it will alleviate me having to cut anything. But yeah, it could also be because these wheels, I didn't tell you guys yet, but these are the 5th gen 40th anniversary wheels that they put out for the 4Runner, and yeah, they're just sick. So it's the same offset and setup as the TRD Pros. These just look cooler in my opinion. So yeah, look pretty sick. All right, so let me show you the full lock so you can see the tire rubbing. All right, so it's all the way to the right. You can see that it is totally touching. You see the rub marks right there? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. And you can tell that it's rubbing on this side as well. So that's fantastic. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to unbolt that fender lining, kind of push it forward, zip tie it in place for the time being. And then whenever I get the new shocks and like the spacers up front, it shouldn't rub, but we'll find out. I don't want to cut anything right now, but if we have to, we will. And here we go. All I had to do was push the fender lining up, and then there's a point in here that you can zip tie onto. Right up under here, if you just unscrew these two bolts, or yeah, screw bolts, and then you push the fender lining up, you can attach it right there on that bumper plate, and then you get all your clearance without cutting anything. And no, that part of the bumper does not rub. Now, if I had it just like a size up on the tire, yeah, you would need to cut that. So that's all you need to do for now. Hey, what's up guys? This is Sloth King from the future. I just wanted to give an update on how the wheels and tires have been performing. They've been great so far. They've held up really well in the snow, really good in the rain. It's actually pretty quiet when I'm driving on the highway, a lot quieter than my previous all-terrains, which I forget what those are. But anyway, yeah, everything's been holding up really well. I do like the amount that the tire pokes out now, or the wheel pokes out now, compared to the stock wheels. And yeah, it just looks pretty sick. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.